Did you know that typewriters have fingerprints? In 1973, a judge in Connecticut received a death threat in the mail. Anonymous, untraceable, or so it seemed. Judge Harold Mulvey had been presiding over a high-profile murder trial. The letter was short and direct. It promised he would die if he didn't dismiss the case. Police had no leads, no witnesses. The paper was common. The envelope told them nothing. But forensic document examiner Albert Osborne noticed something else. Under a microscope, every letter showed tiny imperfections. The lowercase e sat slightly higher than the others. The R had a barely visible chip in the upper curve. Every typewriter develops unique flaws over time. Worn keys, misaligned hammers, damaged type bars. These mechanical fingerprints are permanent, unchangeable. Investigators tested dozens of typewriters across the state, government offices, law firms, newspaper bureaus. Finally, they found a match at a small insurance company. The machine belonged to Robert Lowe, a clerk who had been following the trial obsessively. One typewriter, one microscopic imperfection. One man who thought analog meant anonymous,